Passive income is key nowadays, guys, and I'm going to give you a few strategies on how you can get some. I'm not a financial advisor, this education purpose only. So let's get straight in. So taking you to this article at SoFi.com, all right, that's S-O-F-I, tells you about 12 different ways that you can. Now, there is the proof of staking, which is the POS, all right, it's a conscious method used in the blockchain technology that serves as an alternate to Bitcoin's proof of work. We got the interest-bearing digital assets accounts. We got the lending version, okay, margin lending, centralized lending, decentralized lending, peer-to-peer lending. They all come within the lending section. You got cloud mining, all right, that typically requires substantial investments, but it is a very good way of passive income. Dividend earning tokens, okay, that's backed by the shares, the liquidity of the actual company itself. You have the yield farming, run a lightning node. So if you're into nodes, if you even know what they are, have a look at some videos, right? Lightning nodes are a 2-layered scaling solution that allows for lightning fast, affordable micropayments at a very large scale. And affiliate programs, probably one of my favorites because it actually makes you connect with different people. All right, signing people up to different kind of projects, to different kind of reward system. You have your master nodes, your forks and airdrops, Sun's Exchange, and the crypto gaming. You know, crypto gaming is always one of our favorites on this channel, so it's a very good way to actually earn passive income. Now, taking on to probably the most popular one, it is the blue chip crypto strategy. Now, blue chips are cryptos that are established cryptocurrencies. So what it means is getting involved in the big currencies that are already established and knowing that they're going to rise over time. It's not going to make you fast money quick like some of the other projects could, but over time you are going to earn it just like stocks and things like that. Okay, so using Bitcoin as an example, all right, Bitcoin getting in right now. As we speak, it started to drop down, but it is a blue chip. So even if Bitcoin went to its highest at 100,000, what we think it could get to, okay, but even if Bitcoin went to its highest it's been to, which is about 62,000, you would only be maybe quadrupling your money, which is a lot, don't get me wrong, but if you were to put that money into something lower on the income stream, something new, a project that we bring up on this channel that might be new, you could be looking at 100 times gains. So that's what it means by using the blue chip strategy. Okay, you could do it in crypto, within stocks, things like that. Okay, in stocks, you're talking about S&P 500, NASDAQ, things like that. All right, in crypto, you're talking about Ethereum, Bitcoin, XRP, all the big chips. Now, what makes it a blue chip? Even in NFTs, okay, if they have NFT counterparts, they usually become blue chip. All right, it's got the founder's reputation, the institutional status, large market cap, high liquidity, higher interchangeable, lower volatility, and a level of decentralization. Now, why is BTC actually a blue chip? Read it all here on learn.bybit.com, okay, and actually have a look at all the other ones. Other blue chips we have Binance, Ripple, like I said, Cardano, and much, much more. So guys, I quickly briefed on some of the strategies how to make a passive income. I've also talked to you about the blue chips in crypto and what blue chip strategy is. Now, all these strategies work, all right? All of them work only if you're getting into the right projects. All of these strategies also fail if you're getting into ones that you don't do your research on, that you don't do your due diligence on, or you're just taking from a random person in the street saying, hey, buy this crypto coin, okay? Get on YouTube, watch this channel. Learn what we're promoting. We don't promote projects that have not been researched. Go and find your trusted trader and ask them, okay? Don't just dive in and invest your own money into something you don't know about, okay? We are here to help you. So if you like this channel, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you next time.